Hey guys, I posted 2 continuous weave tutorials last week. I received a few questions about how to incorporate a weave into your work. I showed you one method on Monday, and today I have another method for you. Let's get started. To avoid confusion, I've labeled the strands on the left 1 through 4. Strand 1 is on the left and strand 4 is on the right. Bring strand 2 in front of strand 3. Bring strand 2 behind strand 4 and strand 3 in front of strand 1. Bring strand 1 in front of strand 4. Working on the right, bring strand 3 in front of strand 1. Working on the left, bring strand 3 behind strand 4. Continue this process until you've created a weave of your desired length. Tie a knot at the bottom to keep the rope from unraveling. Repeat the same process on the right side of your work. Undo the knot and bring the 2 sides together. Using an extra piece of rope, tie a gathering knot. If you need extra help with this knot, please see the description for a link. This is a great method to use for a front layer of your work. Thanks so much for watching. I'd love to see your work, so please feel free to tag me on Instagram or Facebook if you've used one of my tutorials. If you like this video, please hit the thumbs up below, and if you think this tutorial might be useful for others, please feel free to share it. If you have any feedback, please feel free to leave a comment. Don't forget to subscribe. I post videos every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday.